weather week ahead, as we are looking at conditions across the Arklatex that will go downhill tonight with a possibility for some severe weather. You can see the cloudy sky over the Arklatex right now. We're going to be watching a disturbance, a rather strong upper level disturbance, which is now making its way into the northwestern sections of Texas. This feature is going to move right through of the Arklatex during the next 24 hours and will bring with it that possibility for some severe weather. According to the Storm Prediction Center, we do have a slight severe weather risk. That's 2 on that 1 to 5 scale, meaning that any severe weather will be somewhat scattered in nature. And as far as our threats, everything is on the table, but the main concern for most of us will be damaging straight line wind with a possibility for a tornado or two, and I'll get into where that threat may be highest here in a second. Let's take it through the next 24, actually a couple of days here with Robin Cellular Futurecast, and you can see a possibility that we could see a couple of waves of thunderstorms, as we'll see scattered thunderstorms increase over East Texas late this afternoon and early this evening. That first wave will move through, and then we'll see a second wave of storms that will probably pose the biggest severe weather threat as it moves into the area in Shreveport right around midnight, 11 o'clock or so tonight in Texarkana. That line will move through, and that will be pretty much the end of the severe weather threat for tonight. And then tomorrow, as the main upper level feature moves right over us, we will see a few scattered showers with some thunder possible, mainly over the eastern sections of the area where the air in the afternoon could be a little bit warmer, allowing for a little bit more instability, but no severe weather for the Arklatex for tomorrow. We'll see that rain wrap up tomorrow night as we stay mostly cloudy, and we'll see kind of a mixture of clouds and a little bit of late day sunshine for Wednesday. As far as the severe weather threats, again, I mentioned the threat for damaging wind with these waves of thunderstorms that'll be moving through. Hail also will be possible. You can see here on this scale here, what we're looking for is areas of black and gray. That's where the risk of hail may be a little bit higher, and you can see a little bit more of that black, especially over deep East Texas, northwest Louisiana, south of Interstate 20. So the southern half of the Arklatex is where the risk of maybe that quarter-sized hailstone will be highest, although some hail possible pretty much anywhere across the area. As far as rotation indicated by Futurecast, it also is indicating that the risk for tornadoes may be higher south of Interstate 20. Again, we'll have to keep an eye on the northwest edge of the area as the that second wave approaches later on this evening, but it does appear as if the atmosphere may be more conducive for a rotating storm or two over the southern half of the area. As far as rainfall potential, pretty much a good solid inch for most of us. If you don't get that inch, a good half an inch is minimal, I think, as far as what we will see across the region. And then we'll see a possibility for some more rain as we look ahead to Thursday night. So your forecast looks like this for tonight. We will see the thunderstorms, some of which will be severe in spots with temperatures that will dip behind the storms into the low to middle 50s, 53 in both Texarkana and Shreveport tonight. And then tomorrow I expect scattered showers, a little bit of thunder possible in the afternoon over the eastern sections of the area, as we'll see highs mainly in the middle 60s that include 65 in Shreveport, 65 in Mansfield, 63 degrees for the high tomorrow in Texarkana. 10-day forecast shows a rather pleasant stretch of days here. Once we get past tonight, there will be a chance for more rain Thursday night that could linger into Friday morning. Weekend looks pretty nice with highs in the low to middle 70s thanks to sunshine. And then early next week, Monday, Tuesday, or Wednesday, we'll see the potential for some more severe weather and the potential for some heavy rain once again with highs in the lower 70s during that time frame. Lows will kind of settle for most of the 10-day period in the 40s and 50s. So again, severe weather a possibility across the Arklatex during the night tonight. We'll see that end late tonight with more rain a possibility as we look ahead to Thursday night and again early next week.